2010 Lincoln MKZ passenger side mirror is not working. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Let's go. All right, so the tools you're gonna need for this job is going to be some kind of pry bar, a plastic one, and then a long flat head. You'll also need an 11mm combination wrench and the actual mirror that you're gonna be using. So I'll leave a link in the description to everything that I used. If you purchase something, thanks in advance because it helps the channel. Let's go. So to change your mirror, you have two options. One, you could take off the whole door, or two, you can do it the you can fix it way. So let's do that way. First step to do is to stick your fingers back there or grab some kind of flathead, and you're gonna stick it back here and you're gonna pry this backwards like that. See that? Pry it just like that. You don't need much. So once you pry it just like that, you can see you have access to all that. So the next thing you're gonna wanna pry is this actual piece. Sometimes you can do it with your fingers, but if you can't, grab your flathead again, stick it in there, and then gently start prying it, see? Bam. So now that that's off, we should be able to wiggle this bad boy out. So, bam, just like that. And all it is one clip there and one clip there. So now you have access to this. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug this, and then you got one 11mm, two 11mm, and then your last 11mm is right there. So let's disconnect that, take those off, and we'll be right back. All right, so once you take everything off, this bad boy comes right off. Give it a little finagle, and it comes out just like that. So here is our new one. There is our old one. Let's put this bad boy on. Take these little protective covers off, and we're just gonna line it up exactly how we took it off and keep going. All right, so we got it in, fits perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and put the 3 11mm nuts on there and then our connector, and we will be good. All right, we got our nuts on. Push that bad boy until it clicks, give it a tug, make sure it's not going nowhere. And let's put everything back together. All right, we're gonna go ahead and grab our little shroud, and we're gonna finagle that bad boy in here with one hand. Bam, just like that. And line up that clip, and line up that clip, and then you're gonna give it a whack. Bam, just like that. Now you're gonna line up these clips in here, and once you line everything up, you can give it a nice little whack, whack. And just like that, you fixed your passenger mirror. So always remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.